Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another personal plan with me in my original Filofax. I'm going to be using some stickers from some shops that I'm really excited about. I'm going to be using a kit from SimplyBeautifulPlans, some really gorgeous stickers from Milo and Milk, including some foiled ones, and I'm also going to be using stickers from my own shop. So these are some of the new releases from my shop, and I'm very excited to put them out. I love all of these little doodles. So I'm going to be using some of these, and they kind of have a back-to-school theme from them, so I really enjoy that. The inserts that I'm going to be using are inserts that I actually made myself and are available right now on my blog as a freebie. These inserts are actually Erin Condren compatible and actually Happy Planner compatible as well because they are both the same width. But back to the plan with me, the first thing that I'm going to do, like always, is do my date covers. And I'm going to be using this really pretty foiled washi from Michaels. I don't know why I took out the pages from my planner. I usually don't. I thought it would be easier to put on the washi, but apparently it wasn't. So after a little bit I realized that and put them back in the rings just so the pages aren't flapping about. I actually really like this washi. I think the pink color is really nice, and I also really like how it's foiled. I kind of want to add a little bit more foiled things into some of my spreads more often, just because I think it is really pretty, and obviously this washi is from Michaels, so it was quite affordable actually. So after I put down this washi, I actually took some stickers from my own shop that are currently available. I used some Bujo Week header stickers in the font number 3, as well as some functional flag stickers. I actually designed those page flag stickers and all of my functional stickers to fit in pocket size, which is why the sheets are so small, so you can put them inside your pocket planner. But I actually like using them in multiple ways in all of my planners. Sometimes I use them as checklists, as you will see a little bit later, and I also really like using them as date covers if I don't have any. I actually think these date covers turned out quite well, and I think the colors really match the kit that I'm going to be using. I really like using those week header stickers. I think they're very functional. Also, if you like using bullet journals, I think they're very functional, and they come in a variety of different fonts if you check out my shop. So the next thing that I'm going to do is start on my sidebar, and I actually am taking a Mambi sticker from the Mambi sticker books. I actually just keep them in my recollections planner just for ease and accessibility. So the kit that I'm using this week is one that I've hoarded for so long. It is super old. It is from last year August, so it's not available anymore, but I really wanted to use a more florally kit. I'm really sorry if you wanted to use this kit. I'm sure the clip art is still around somewhere. I just wanted to use some of the leftovers that I had, and I don't always want to film using like a new fresh kit, you know what I mean? So I started off by adding a this week sticker as well as a few tasks that I had for this week, and then I added a little bit of washi and a full box. I layered a page flag with one of these stickers from my own shop. It is a little tea bag with some flowers, which I think fit the kit really nicely. And then I started with a to-do header from the kit again. I actually used all of the checklists from this kit in some other previous spreads, so I am using some more functional stickers from my shop. These are just the circles to act as my checklist, and I really like how it turned out. Then I decided to take an appointment label with a Happy Mail sticker from this same kit and write down that I got some Happy Mail from Milo and Milk. I decided to use one of the foiled stickers that I got in that package, and I think it is so pretty. I'm definitely going to be using a lot of these in my next coming spreads. Then I decided to put a little quarter box as well as a Nova sticker from my shop, and it is of Nova trying to hold on to some money that is trying to fly away because I made another order. I then took a sticker from 15 April, and this one was to encourage me to design and finish all of my new releases, and I put some to-dos that I wanted to get done on that day down there as well. I'm then taking a movie marquee box from the kit, and I'm going to mark down a show that I really wanted to watch on Netflix, and I'm adding a Netflix Nova sticker as well. She's eating popcorn. I think she's really adorable. After that, I took a half box from the kit and layered that with a coffee sticker from my own shop. Now I am so excited for these mild liner header stickers that are in my shop currently from my new releases. I think they are so cute, and I think they just look so adorable on the spread, and they fit as a header. So I just used that header to divide up a little bit of space, and then I took a Bubble Mon sticker to write down that I wasn't really feeling very well on Tuesday. I then took a sticker from Tamashi Prince. Now she is one of my absolute favorite shops, and this is one of her older designs. As you can see, I did mess up on my writing, so I tried covering it a little bit with another box there, but it still wasn't working, but I'm going to pretend that that didn't happen. I then continued on with a glitter header from MiloAndMilkCo. I really like the color of this one, and then I took a page flag from the kit. It is a really nice greenish aqua-y color, and I layered it with a Van Sticky sticker. Again, because I didn't have any checklist, I just used some of these circle dots as my checklist instead, and wrote down some of my to-dos for my shop and ended with a Milo and Milk glitter header. I then went back into my sidebar and took this Milo and Milk posted sticker because I thought he was really cute, and I decided to go for a yellow color, which I thought matched the gold really nicely. I actually really want to purchase a lot more foiled things like kits and other icon stickers. I actually did a poll on my Instagram asking whether or not people like the gold or the silver, and everyone voted 50-50, so thanks for the help, guys. So on the next spread, I continued to add a little bit of washi from the kit as well as the headers from Milo and Milk. I then added my full boxes as well as my weekend banner to just kind of see how much space I have left to write. I then layered a half box with a flag as well as a sticker from my own shop, which is a laptop with some flowers. So my camera cut out here, but basically what I did was have a little appointment label with a Hobonichi sticker to say that I wanted to film, and did another checklist at the bottom with some more circle stickers. I also used another pen header and a sticker from Stationery Heaven. I wanted to catch up on some of my planning on Friday, so I decided to make a half box with a planner sticker from my shop. I also wanted to do some Bujo planning on the weekend, so I used a Van Sticky sticker to annotate that. I actually jumped onto Sunday and layered a bag sticker onto a half box to write down that I shouldn't really spend too much on this weekend because I'm planning on purchasing some things later on in the month. I filled up a little bit of space again with another pen header, this time in a different design. And I also grabbed another sticker from Stationery Heaven. This one is the bear on the laptop, which was so cute. I then took a Bill Do sticker from the kit as well as a sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. to let myself take a nap on Friday. Over the weekend, I wanted to plan some more of my Hobonichi videos, so I took a sticker from my own shop for that, another pen header, which I've been using a lot in this spread, and then I made another checklist using some of those functional dots. And then I put a little backpack sticker, and I used that as a reminder to clean out my bag over the weekend. I then decided that I wanted to go on a no spend until some of my favorite shops have some sales over the next couple of weeks. So I made a note of that in the top full box. I actually have my eye on a few new PVK planners, which I don't need, so that's why I need to be on that no spend. And lastly, to wrap up this plan with me, I put a character sticker eating pizza, as well as a reminder to watch a few dramas over the weekend. I will try my best to link everything down below, as well as include discount codes. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!